In this video, I show you how to make a private server on Roblox iPad. Start by going to the Roblox homepage if you haven't already, then select the game you want to make a private server for. Tap on the social button, which has the two people icon, then select the Create Private Server option. At the top, you will see the price. Depending on the game, it may be free, but not all games are free. This is the price for every month of the private server. The Robux will automatically be taken whenever the server needs to be renewed. Select the server name box, then give your private server a name. Once done, tap on the Buy Now or Subscribe button, then select Not Now. You should now see your private server. If you don't, then tap the Refresh button. You can now tap the Join button if you want to start playing. However, if you want friends to be able to play with you, then you'll need to make some changes. Tap on the three dots next to your server, then select Configure. If your private server wasn't free, then you'll see a subscription status option. Turn it off if you don't want to be charged again for the private server. If disabled, you will keep access to the server until the renewal or expiration date. To allow friends to join, enable the Allow Joining option. Then head down and turn on the Connections Allowed setting. Alternatively, you can leave the Connections Allowed setting turned off. Then click the Add People button and add only specific people to the server. You can also use this to allow people that aren't your friends to join. Another option is to invite friends using a server invite link. To do this, tap on the Generate button, then head across and tap on the Clipboard button to copy the link. You can then paste the link to send it to the person you want to invite. Once done, head back to the top and tap the back button. Select Join to join the game. You now know how to create a private server on Roblox iPad. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.